Ba. Ba.
Yummy chicken, isn't it? Yummy.
Ba.
For a person who didn't want any to begin with.
Oh,
You chicken. Now you've eaten all the chicken. It was yummy after all.
ba. Brenda, ba. 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 Ba.
Yes, Julian will be wishing Amy's going to be sitting more at KFC. Amy's got all the spare time now. And she's organising things that they should be doing. He'll be saying, why don't you do a post?
Yeah.